A land of kings, a throne built on blood, and a history filled with secrets no one dares to tell. What if everything you know about the United Kingdom is only half the story? Behind the crowns, castles, and glory lies betrayal, war, and a fight for power that shaped the modern world. Before it was called the United Kingdom, this land was wild, divided, and dangerous. Celtic tribes ruled the hills and forests, living by their own laws. But everything changed when the Roman Empire arrived. In 43 AD, under Emperor Claudius, Roman legions invaded Britain. They built roads, cities, and walls, but they also brought fear, rebellion, and resistance. One name still echoes through history: Boudica, a queen who rose against Rome, burning cities, challenging an empire before being crushed and lost to legend. When Rome abandoned Britain, chaos took over. Anglo-Saxons invaded from across the sea, forming kingdoms, fighting each other endlessly. Then came a new terror: the Vikings. From the cold north, they attacked without warning, burning villages, stealing gold, rewriting destiny. But one king stood against them: Alfred the Great. He didn't just fight the Vikings, he outsmarted them and laid the foundation for a united England. The year 1066, a single battle that changed everything. At the Battle of Hastings, William the Conqueror defeated Harold Godwinson. England was no longer Anglo-Saxon, it became Norman. Castles rose across the land, the language changed, and a new ruling class took control. But this was only the beginning. For centuries, the throne was never safe. Kings were betrayed, imprisoned, even executed. In 1215, King John was forced to sign a document, the Magna Carta. For the first time, a king's power was limited. But peace never lasts. Two families, one throne: the houses of York and Lancaster. Their story: betrayal, murder, and civil war. Brother turned against brother. Families destroyed each other until one man ended it all: Henry VII. He united the two houses and began a new dynasty. Then came one of the most feared kings in history, Henry VIII, a king who broke away from the church just to marry again. 6 wives, 2 executed. His decisions didn't just change England, they changed religion forever. After him, a queen who turned England into a global power, Elizabeth I. Under her rule, England defeated the mighty Spanish Armada and stepped onto the world stage. Power always comes with a price. In the 1600s, England tore itself apart. The king, Charles I, versus Parliament. The result? War. And for the first time in history, a king was executed by his own people. England became a republic under Oliver Cromwell, but even that didn't last. In 1707, history changed again. England and Scotland united, forming the Kingdom of Great Britain. Later, Ireland was added. The United Kingdom was born. The British Empire spread across the world, becoming the largest empire in history, from India to Africa to the Americas. It was said the sun never sets on the British Empire, but empires don't last forever. 2 world wars changed everything. Britain survived, but weakened. Colonies gained independence. The empire faded. And today, the United Kingdom stands as a modern nation with a powerful past still shaping its future. Remember, this isn't just history. It's a story of power, of survival, and of a nation built through war, sacrifice, and ambition. And maybe the real story of the United Kingdom is still being written.